Welcome to ProconXol, your trusted partner in regulatory affairs and FDA submissions. I am Riazur Rahman, a regulatory expert, and in today's video, I'll walk you through how to make the Coversheet payment for an FDA 510(k) or a PMA submission. The same process is also applicable to other type of Coversheet payment, such as animal drug user fee, animal generic drug user fee, biosimilar user fee, generic drug user fee, medical device user fee, over-the-counter monograph user fee, and prescription drug user fee. Before submitting your 510(k) or PMA to the FDA, you must pay the required user fee, often referred to as Coversheet payment. This payment ensures your submission can be officially accepted and processed by the FDA. Let's go step by step. First, visit the FDA's official user fee portal, which is www.userfees.fda.gov. Or you can also find that webpage by searching MDUFA login. Here, you will either sign in with your existing account or create a new one if you are paying for the first time. For this demonstration video, we will select Medical Device User Fee. Note, FDA will not accept your submission if your company has not paid an establishment registration fee that is due to FDA. In this instance, we will select Yes. Then we will click Application Details. Depending on the type of submission, you will select the appropriate center. For this video, we will select CDRH. Now select the type of pre-market application. There are several types listed: 510(k), PMA, PDP, PMR, modular PMA, 30-day notice, 513(g) request for information, and de novo request. For this video, we will select pre-market notification. Please remember, you have to make sure to select the right category because each submission type has different fee schedule. And if you mistakenly submitted a different fee, then it is very difficult and time-consuming to get the reimbursement from FDA. Now click Continue button. Here you will provide about your business size. Please select if you're a small business. If you have selected yes, that you are a small business, then you'll have to provide an SBD number for that fiscal year. SBD stands for Small Business Decision. Here, I'm going to select no and press continue. Please check one of the following exemption if they apply. Read carefully. If one of those applies to you, please select. If not, leave it unchecked and press continue. Our cover sheet is almost ready. Please click the Proceed button to review the cover sheet and submit it to FDA. This screen shows that your draft cover sheet is ready, and you can also see the amount that you're supposed to pay for this application. If you have one draft cover sheet, please click Next button to submit your cover sheet to FDA and receive a payment identification number. If you do not receive a PIN number, your cover sheet was not submitted to FDA. If you would like to modify your cover sheet, please select the Modify Application Detail. If you choose not to save or submit the cover sheet, at this time, your draft cover sheet will be automatically saved for 30 days before it expires. If you would like to save your cover sheet for the future submission, just click Save Cover Sheet button and provide a name for your card. Now, we will click the Next button. Here, you will confirm the billing information and then hit Next. On this page, you will confirm the customer information, which is actually your company, and the applicant contact information. Now click the Submit Cover Sheet to FDA. This will submit the cover sheet that you just prepared to FDA and give you option for the payment. You can immediately pay by clicking the Pay Now button at the bottom of the screen, or go to the previous cover sheet button and then find out the latest application that you submitted or the cover sheet you submitted and select the payment option from there. Here on this screen, you can see all the previously submitted cover sheets, and the top one is the one that we just worked on. Now we will click the Pay Now button, which will take us to the payment options where we will select the mode of payment, whether it's bank account or debit credit card. Here we will provide the banking information, whether it's a credit card or ACH account, and click Continue button. Verify all the payment information, scroll all the way to the bottom, and check the box I agree to authorize and disclosure statement, and then click Continue. This screen shows our payment has been successfully submitted as we have received PIN number. Now we will find out the cover sheet PDF. We will download it and save it as we will need it to include in our eCopy or eSTAR submission package when we submit the 510(k) PMA or any other type of submission to FDA. To download the cover sheet, we will click the previous cover sheet button at the top. This page shows the list of cover sheets previously submitted. From this list, we will select the one that we just submitted, and here at the top one, we will click the PIN number. This will pop up a window that displays the cover sheet. We will review all the information. At the top, we can see the payment identification number is mentioned. We scroll all the way to the bottom and we will see how much money we have paid for that. And that also gives you a print cover sheet option. From here, we will save it. And that's it. Your FDA cover sheet payment is complete. By following these steps, you ensure a smooth start for your regulatory submission. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more regulatory tutorials from ProconXol. For personalized support with your FDA submission, visit us at ProconXol.com, where compliance meets confidence.